I like doing this, man. This is peaceful for me. It's peaceful for me. They hungry too during the shutdown. With some old pizza. Let me see if he gonna eat. Oh, he took the whole piece. Some old stale chips. Some Flaming Hots. They hungry, man. There's cars out here that do this all the time. I ain't about to eat the stale chips, so I'm going. Yeah, I got some more for y'all. I got some more. Hold on, I got more. I know. Somebody coming over? Okay, hold on. More Flaming Hot. Okay. They would probably eat out your hands if they could. I gotta find us some big stuff. Now you couldn't do this in like Woodbury or nothing like that. You don't really typically see them. I don't see them on the east side either, on the east side club. But you know. All right, y'all. That's about it. Hold on, there's some more. There we go. All right, that's it, y'all. See y'all later. I'm about to give me a burger.